Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change name in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to change a name in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the more button available for us. Tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will land on this interface where you can see, guys, at the top of the screen there's a profile picture, and at the top right corner there's the pin and the QR code icon. We'll be required to tap on the pin icon over there, and when we land over here, guys, you can see the name section of your account on Viber. Now you can change your name any ways you like. You can see I'll be just reversing it for the demo purpose. And with that being done, guys, just tap on the tick mark on your keyboard at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that will be saved on your Viber if you go back. So you can see, guys, the name has been changed on Viber. If you tap on the pin icon again, our name was changed. Similarly, you can change it any way you like. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change name in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.